Hello, today is October 18th. We are planning to bring our Tindora plant indoors to save it from winter. This stays indoors from October until May 15th. Then we can safely bring it outdoors. Our Tindora is in this pot. This gave us a lot of fruits this year because it is sitting next to the compost bin, so it was getting enough fertilizer. We had our first frost already. We are going to do the last Tindora harvest of this season. Now we have to cut this Tindora and bring it indoors to overwinter it. This pot has large holes at the bottom, so the root grew into the soil through that hole. So we have to cut the roots off first. We can save this Tindora plant from winter by 3 methods. Number 1, we can cut the stems. So when we take the stems, it should have at least 3 nodes. So I usually cut the bottom flat and the top in an angle. We can save this stem either by putting in water or by planting in small containers. Or we can take the plant itself indoors in the same pot. I'm going to save them all 3 methods. I'm going to plant some in small pots. I'm going to save some stems in water, and I will bring the same pot indoors also. So I will cut the bottom flat and the top in an angle. So we will know which end goes to the soil. Now we can wash the pots off of dirt before bringing them indoors. I brought them to the basement. This will stay here until May of next year. I have few other plants also here. A pepper plant, my pineapple plant, queen of night, and a curry leaf plant also. They get morning light through this window, and I use grow light also for few hours in the evening.